I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn mensuration together, step by step. Mensuration measures figures. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Area is the surface it covers. We'll find both for rectangles and squares. Perimeter is the total length around a figure. For a rectangle, it's twice the length plus breadth. For a square, it's 4 times the side. Area is the surface a shape covers, measured in square units. A rectangle's area is length times breadth. A square's is the side multiplied by itself. For a rectangle 8 by 5, the perimeter is twice 13, which is 26 units, and the area is 8 times 5, which is 40 square units. For a square of side 6, the perimeter is 4 times 6, 24 units, and the area is 6 squared, 36 square units. To recap, perimeter is the boundary length, and area the surface covered. Rectangles and squares have simple formulas, and remember, area is always in square units. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.